So I made a delicious pork belly. And there's no oil at the bottom because I put it in the caramelized onions. Oh my God, it looks so good. Oh my God. This is chicken. I cut up 2 whole chickens and I'm gonna put some pesto sauce on it after they finish cooking all the way through, and I'm gonna bake these suckers. And what's left over, I'm making chicken lasagna. I learned this recipe actually from Brian Culbertson and his wife Michelle. You take some nuts, preferably walnuts, but this time I only had almonds and cashews, and you put olive oil and honey and sugar in it. You literally can spread this on anything and it's gonna taste amazing. Oh my God, you guys, look at how it's just glistening. Oh, that's the top of the pork belly, and I might not be able to let this last long enough for Josh to come home. I just tasted this, and this bone broth. So I made bone broth, but I took the drippings from the chicken and put it in the bone broth for extra flavor. I think this is the best bone broth I've ever made. I could literally just drink this as broth by its freaking self. All right, I'm about to test out this pesto chicken. All right, here it goes. You see the smoke coming off of it? Yes. Okay. You season the chicken first, sear it on both sides, get it cooked on the inside by covering the pan a little bit. Then you put pesto over it and you bring the fire down so it simmers. I'm gonna have another bite because it's really, really good. And I didn't have lunch, I was just meal planning the whole time. Meal planning at its best. Oh, you thought we were just making meat today and couscous. No, we need to have our vegetables. This is one of them. Squash with orange peppers and red onions. And I'm gonna put some olive oil on these and roast them for a bit. Chopping broccoli, chopping broccoli, chopping broccoli, chopping broccoli, chopping broccoli. This fridge is full of delicious goodness.